Hey, coming at you with another Lightning video. This one is for the first generation Lightning owners that want to use the second generation 0304 Reproduction wheels. This wheel does not come in the 5x5.5 bolt pattern, but what we can do is take an 11/16 inch drill bit and ever so slightly enlarge the 5x135mm bolt pattern that the wheel does come in. Now this isn't a perfect method, but we have found that as long as we position that drill as level as we can above each hole, that drill bit will shave off evenly within each hole. And in doing so, it will provide a snug fit around the 5x5.5 inch bolt pattern. So at this point we test fitted on the black Lightning, once again ensuring that snug fit and also making sure that that wheel can rotate freely and smoothly. It's important to note that this wheel comes in a 20-inch diameter versus the 18-inch diameter that it originally came in from factory. We think this 20-inch diameter fills in the wheel well a bit more and gives the truck a more modern proportion. So once we were happy with the test fit, we went ahead and had the tires mounted onto the wheel. We used flat washer to acorn style lug nut adapters. These are specialty washers that you can get from Summit Racing. Once those washers are in place, we went ahead and put the lug nuts on, and boom! There you have it, folks. A first generation Lightning with second generation wheels. These wheels definitely give the truck more contemporary and modern proportion, keeping true to the sporty Lightning aesthetic. We hope this video helps for all those that want to pull off this modification. Make sure to like and subscribe.